everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy and welcome back to the Stray Kids series. My name is Orna and today we're going to be learning Backdoor. This is the counts version, so it's just the counts and the music for all you awesome people that just need that. But if you need a bit more explanation, there will be a fully explained version linked in the description box. So we're going to start with a quick look at the choreography and then we'll get started. Alright everybody, so let's start from the beginning with the counts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push and boom. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and boom and 1, 2, 3. Come inside. Now boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 and boom. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, up, down, left, right, jump. Okay, so we'll get the music now and see how you get on. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and boom. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Learning Backdoor today. You guys were amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe because there's definitely a lot more Stray Kids content coming soon. Good job, Stays. Good job, baby Stays. And I will see you guys all again soon. Bye.